Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. We're back in the food plot, and the first thing we need to do is try to take care of these piles of, I don't know what junk you want to call them. Look at that disgusting mess. I was going to use this for fill, but yeah, it's all sticks and junk. So we're going to dump it over here somewhere out of the way. So you can see I got my Kubota L4701 out. Got the bucket on the front and the box plate on the back. So we're going to try to do a little bit of dirt work today. Try to smooth some of this out now that it's all dry in here. I was back here about a month ago with the excavator digging this all out and leveling it all off. I don't even know if you guys can see where I'm dumping it. Let me change the angle here. Oh yeah, you can't see where I'm dumping it. Let's try this over here. All right, let's try this view. You know what we can do? Let's just push this all in a pile next to that tree. It'll be out of the way. I can get it with the grapple. It's mostly twigs and stuff. All right, so now that we've made that future Elliot's problem, I've got the box blade on the back, and what I want to try to do is just box blade this entire area that I cleared with the excavator. See how it goes. I know this is going to take multiple passes, and it's slow and steady, but it'll eventually get better and better every pass. So it seems to be getting a good start, but I almost wonder if I should move my tines down another notch. I only have them at the second highest, so I think we'll move them down and see what kind of difference that makes. All right, let's give that a try. See if we can grab some more dirt. I don't know if the better way to do this is with the bucket or what. I mean, I don't know. If you guys got better ideas, make sure you leave a comment below, because, and don't say bulldozer. I know bulldozer is probably the proper tool for the job, but I don't have a bulldozer, so we're using what we got. I could tell you with 100% certainty it's already getting better, because when I first came in here, it would rattle your skull. I seem to have missed one stump over in this area somewhere. I'll have to dig that out. But let's head over here to a really rutty area and see what we can do over there. So starting from where about the tractor is to in this area, you can see it's just a lot of ruts, and I don't think the box blade is the proper huzzah! Wow, tool for that. We do have some big roots and stuff in here. Take care of this first. So yeah, like I was saying, oh, that's why you watch where you're going. I don't think the box blade is the proper tool. I'm glad I didn't hit my grape, only caught the shoulder. So we're gonna try the bucket to smooth this out. And something could be said about leaving your implements on the ground so silly things like that don't happen. But hey, learn from my mistakes, I guess. I don't even know if it's doing anything. I can't see the front. You guys will have to tell me if it's cutting down the ruts. Oh, looks a little better. Let's try over here. My allergies are killing me. I'm terrible. And then they got this fire in Canada that the smoke, you can kind of see it in the haze of the clouds in the back maybe. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's been killing me too. Big government said you should stay inside, but there's work to be done, you know? I don't know. Do I have it loose enough now that I could just start dragging dirt around with no tines? I don't know. I've never used a box blade in this application before after land clearing, so I'm learning with you guys here. I've always used it when I had fresh earth, you know, not all these tree roots and what have you laying around. So besides renting a bulldozer, if you guys have a tractor and you have a technique that you've used and been successful with it, make sure you leave a comment below, because I'd love to try it. I mean, it's working. It's working, not well, but it's working. So I think what I'm going to try now is bring the tines up so I'm not digging any more dirt, and maybe just grabbing the dirt I have and spreading it around to level it out. I don't know. Another thing I probably could have used prior to putting the box blade in the ground would be a York rake to try to get some of this debris up. I don't have one though. It's on my wish list, but I don't have one. So we're making do with what we have. And again, I gotta apologize for me being Mr. Sniffles. I know it's probably super annoying to listen to, but it's allergy season. I'm sure I'm not the only one that suffers with allergies. If this doesn't work and we don't see any improved results, I might just wait to post this video, wait for some of your comments, and see what people say about doing this that have done it before and know better than I. I don't know it all. I don't claim to know it all. I know just enough to be dangerous. So make sure you do leave that comment if you guys know a better way. Let's try to drag some dirt and see what happens. I know it might be tough to tell, but this is certainly better than what it was. Yeah, the first time I came out here, it was chatter in your teeth. I got to do some stick cleanup. You can see I'm still pulling some sticks and roots out of the ground, but my plan is to edit this video, post it, wait a week or two, and then hopefully you guys comment with some better ideas, because while this worked, I have to imagine there's a better way. I did find a stump right here that I missed, which is unfortunate. Got to dig that out, but this is a great start. Pulling the tines up gave me a nice finish. It's not super level, but the problem is I have a lot of stuff in my way. The stump pile's over there. I still have the firewood pile over there. I can't make full passes all the way through, all the way back. It would have been more efficient that way. So once you guys leave comments and tell me how to do this better, tell me how I did it wrong, I can take constructive criticism. Don't be afraid to leave a comment below telling me how I did it wrong. I've still got an area over here by the firewood pile of logs, and it's pretty nasty. I'm not happy with it. I think I might have to get the logs out of the way before we accomplish that, but that shouldn't take me long to cut those up. And I also have a pile, or not a pile, a mess in that far back corner that also needs to be cleaned up. So while this video is out there for the world to see, for you guys to give me ideas and stuff, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for your comments. Make sure you leave them below and tell me how to do it better. I love ideas. I love knowing how to do things better. And just to give you guys an idea of the future, I did pick up a secret weapon for the food plot this year that I don't know how to use. I gotta figure out how to use it. I'm gonna have George come over, help me out, show me how to use it. We're gonna try it in the food plot, see if it works for this application in here, and hopefully it does, because it's gonna make my life easier. It should make the food plot better. We should get a final product that is better than what we've gotten in the past. If you want to know what that secret weapon is, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button on this video. And if you have a comment to tell me how to do this better, do it. I need help. I'm asking you for help. There's got to be a better way. Until the next video, I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you have a great day or a great night, because that's what it is here. And I'll catch you on the next one.